Hello everyone, it's your boy Live Better, Livetta. Once again, another video, man. I'm coming to you guys from experience, and I'm coming to you guys about living better every day. Everything I do is motivational and symbolic for the things I'm doing motivation, you know what I'm saying? But yo, I just want to point out something today, man. Being an entrepreneur and being a hustler and all that stuff, it's all about grinding, man. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you don't even have to be the best at your craft to make the most money in your craft. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta have to put in hard work. You know, hard work and dedication, man, you will outbeat any of your competition if you put in the hard work and dedication. You know what I mean? Or put in more than what they putting in. You know what I mean? Say for instance, like Jay-Z. Like Jay-Z may not be the best lyrical MC out here, or even sold the most records, but he has out hustled everybody else. That he has used rap to become one of the most richest people in the show business game. You know what I'm saying? And he wasn't the best rapper. He didn't even sell the most records. But what he did was he used that as a vehicle to, venture off into other things that build up his wealth. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't just rap that build up his wealth. It was all the other ventures that he got into that build up his wealth. And this even goes out to you guys that are barbers out here, you know what I'm saying? Barbers too, we are entrepreneurs, man, and you can use that as a vehicle to branch off into other things to build wealth, you know what I'm saying? Don't sit here and think you're gonna cut $1 billion worth of hair or even millions of dollars worth of hair. It's impossible unless you're charging people $10,000 a cut. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, it's gonna be impossible to build up millions cutting hair. You know what I'm saying? So as a barber, you have to just get into other industries that you can connect with being a barber. You know what I mean? These are people. Like, you gotta figure out what people want. It's either you're gonna provide a product or a service for somebody. You know what I mean? Those are the two things in business that you're gonna have as an entrepreneur. Me as a barber, I chose to get into other things like doing real estate, Airbnb, stuff like that, owning cigar lounges, and I used my hair cutting to venture off into these other things, and it kind of helps out each other sometimes, because every client that I have, they need a place to live. You know what I'm saying? And if sometimes they may have a property that they want to sell, or they may inherit a property they don't want, and things like that. And I've used the barbershop to get clients like that to help me with real estate and to help me branch off into other things that is helping me build wealth. So, and I'm just using being a barber as an example. You could be a mechanic and have a body shop, or have things like that, and venture off into other things. You know what I mean? But my thing is, to build other things up, you must venture off into other things too. But you can use your 9 to 5. You can use whatever business you have first to venture off into other things. You know what I mean? And a lot of that comes with saving money and having credit, to venture off into other things. You know what I'm saying? But you can use your job or use whatever business you have to elevate to the next level to help build wealth. You know what I mean? And you don't even have to be the best at what you're doing. You just got to be the most consistent at what you're doing. You know what I mean? Back to the reference I used with Jay-Z. He wasn't the best rapper ever, but he was the most consistent rapper ever. Nobody's never put out that many albums back to back until he started doing that. You know what I'm saying? And then he used that vehicle to branch off in other things that help build wealth really fast. You know what I'm saying? And I'll give him that he's the most successful as being an entrepreneur as any other rapper has ever done. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's never really done it like that. But yeah, that's just the video today. I'm just putting it out there, man. You guys, it's really about hard work and dedication, man, and it's really about working smarter, not harder. And if you can figure out how to work smarter, not harder, you can really build wealth really fast nowadays. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just putting it out there today. Hope this motivates somebody, and I hope people, take what I'm saying and run with this shit. You know what I'm saying? I've been an entrepreneur for damn 20, 27, 28 years. You know what I mean? And during this time, I never had to work for nobody else in my adult life. You know what I'm saying? So, and I'm not filthy rich off of being an entrepreneur. You know what I mean? It had a lot of ups and downs in life, but now, we more up than down. You know what I mean? And it's all about living better, man. That's it, man. Peace.